Simpro is a field service management system used by trade businesses to handle quoting, scheduling, job tracking, and invoicing in one platform, and the monthly cost only makes sense when you compare it against how much admin work you are currently doing manually every week. The wrong way to judge it is looking at the subscription price without considering how many tools it replaces and how many hours it saves in scheduling and job coordination. By the end, you'll know how Simpro's pricing typically fits different types of trade businesses, and whether it is actually worth paying for in your situation. Simpro is built to manage the full job life cycle, from the first quote through to scheduling, job execution, and final invoice. That matters because many trade businesses are still using separate systems for quoting, messaging, calendars, and accounting, which creates delays and missing information between steps. The cost becomes more relevant as your business grows and you start managing multiple jobs, technicians, and customer requests at the same time. For smaller teams, the main benefit is reducing time spent rewriting job details and chasing invoices after work is completed. For larger teams, the value shifts toward coordination, where dispatchers can assign jobs clearly, and technicians can update job status without constant phone calls. As operations scale, the system becomes less about convenience, and more about avoiding scheduling conflicts, missed jobs, and lost revenue from poor tracking. That is where Simpro starts to justify its monthly cost, because it replaces a lot of manual coordination that usually sits on one person's shoulders. If you are trying to decide whether it is worth it, the key question is how often your team runs into confusion about job status or scheduling. If that happens regularly, even basic use of Simpro can remove a large amount of back-and-forth communication. If your workflow is already structured and your current tools are working smoothly, the cost may feel harder to justify. So the decision is less about the software features and more about how complex your operations actually are. Simpro works best when it becomes the central system for managing everything from quote to payment, without switching between disconnected tools. If you map out your current job process step by step, you can usually see very quickly whether you are buying efficiency or just adding another layer of software. Like and subscribe for more straightforward breakdowns of trade software without the confusing sales language.